guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Srujan Study Circle. In my previous video, we have learned about fourth and fifth type of noun, abstract noun and collective noun. In this video, we are going to continue the topic and learn sixth type of noun, that is singular and plural noun. So let us begin with our topic, types of noun. Now we are going to learn about sixth type of noun. That is singular and plural noun. What is singular and plural noun? Singular noun is the noun which represents only one noun, one name of the person, place, animal or thing. What is singular noun? Is the noun which represents only one noun. What is plural noun? Plural noun is the noun which represents more than one noun. So plural noun is the noun which represents more than one noun. Examples for singular noun is boy, kid, child, etc. Now the examples for plural noun is boys, kids, children. So in some situations we have to convert singular to plural and plural to singular. So there are some tricks to convert them to another one. So let us know these tricks. What are those tricks? We will see. In some situations, when the noun is in singular form, we have to convert it into plural form. We have to add only s. We have to add s. This is a symbol of addition. And yes with the noun. For example, boy. We have to add yes. It will become boys. So this is the singular form, this is the additive and this is plural form. We have to add yes. For example, kid, kids, and boy, boys, toy, toys, etc. In some situations, we have to add es. We have to add es. For example, when the letter ends in only ch, sh, ss, sometimes x or sometimes o. When only these words are the ending form, only we have to add es. For example, bench will become benches. When we add es, we should not add s only. We have to add es. So, which is the example? We will take bench. We have we have to add es, and it will become finally benches. For again examples is sh bush will become bushes, and ss glass will become glasses. Sometimes x, for example box, fox will become foxes, box will become boxes. And sometimes o, potato will become potatoes. Now next trick, that is when the letter ends, the word ends with f or fe, we have to subtract or separate the f and fe from the word and add ves. We have to first subtract f and fe and add ves. For example, wife will become wives. So, wife will become, when we add, first we have to remove fe and add ves, the wife will become wives. And shelf, shelf will become shelves. So the next trick is, when the letter ends with y, we have to subtract y from the word and add ies sometimes. For example, story will become stories, baby will become babies. So baby will become, when we subtract y and add ies, it will become babies. So now we will move forward in conversion of singular to plural noun. Now we will study further. Sometimes there are no tricks to remember to convert singular to plural forms. So we have to remember the words. For example, ox. Ox, it will not become oxes. You will tell that you only told that when x will is the ending alphabet, we have to add es, but I told sometimes only. When ox is there, we have to not write oxes, we have to write oxen. So this is the singular form, this is the plural form. Ox, oxen. Similarly, goose become geese. Similarly, tooth will become teeth. Foot will become feet. Similarly, louse will become lice. So what is louse? Louse is an parasitic insect which lives in the skin of mammals or birds. So louse and will become lice. So that is plural form of louse, lice. And man, the pronunciation will be men. When the man in the singular form, it will become men. Similarly, women will become women. We cannot tell women. It should be it should be pronounced as women. Women. So these are the some words. Again one, that is child. It will not become childs. We will tell childs oftenly, but the right one is child will become children. It will, or children will not become children's. So child is the singular form, the plural form is children. So this is singular and plural forms conversion in second type. Now we will learn further. Sometimes we have to convert sentence into singular to plural form. In the conversion, we should convert some words along with the main word into plural form. For example, I will write a sentence. The boy likes to ride his own bicycle. When this sentence will be converted into plural form, it will become as the following. The boy, the will be separated. Boys, boy will become boys. We will add yes. Likes will become like. Boys like. Because this is plural, it will become singular. Boys like. Boys likes, because they are many, the likes will become like. Boys like to ride as usual. His will become their, because the his plural form is their. His or her plural form is their. Boys like to ride their own bicycle will become bicycles. So the changes are, the will go, boy will become boys, likes will yes will go and become like, to ride, his will become their, and own bicycle will become bicycles. So similarly, a dog is a faithful animal. So a dog is a faithful animal. When it will be converted into plural form, a will be separated, dog will become dogs, then is will become are, a will be separated again. Faithful is abstract noun, so it will remain same. Dogs are faithful, animal will become animals. So in today's video, we have learnt about singular and plural noun. Some tricks, that is yes, es, ves, separate f and fe, we will add ves, and separate y and add is. So if there is any question, you can put in the comment section down, and please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.